If you use TurboTax to file your business taxes, QuickBooks has an incredible feature that lets you export your entire financial year directly into your tax return. But there is a catch. If your QuickBooks categories aren't properly mapped, TurboTax won't know where to put your numbers, and you'll end up doing it all manually anyway. Today, I'm going to show you how to ensure your chart of accounts is mapped directly to your tax lines so your export works perfectly. Let's get it set up. The entire mapping process happens inside your account list. Head over to your left-hand menu, click All Apps, and then open up the Accounting Hub, and click on Chart of Accounts. Scroll down your list and find an account you want to check. Let's use our main advertising expense as an example. Glide your mouse all the way to the far right action column for that row. Click the small drop-down arrow and select Edit to open up the account details. When your Edit drawer slides open, look right below the account name. You are looking for a specific drop-down labeled Detail Type. In this layout, this single field is actually the secret digital bridge between your QuickBooks data and TurboTax. QuickBooks uses this detail type to automatically sort your expenses into the correct IRS tax lines behind the scenes. Click into that drop-down menu and find the exact category that matches your expense. In this case, we want advertising/promotional, so it flows directly to that line on your Schedule C. Select it, glide down to the bottom right, and click the green Save button. If you take a few minutes to ensure your main income and expense accounts have the correct detail type, your data will flow into TurboTax flawlessly when tax season hits. If this quick setup guide saved you hours of tax prep, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.